welcome to This Type Garage. So here we have the Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 gallon per minute brushless electric pressure washer. This thing comes with a Pressure Plus technology, delivers maximum cleaning power. Half of this stuff means nothing to me. And, I mean, I guess it does. I don't know. Just to me, it doesn't make sense. But anyway, the things that this has that are considered really nice. It includes a hose reel for user convenience. Now that, I must admit, is something different for us. The old ones, you just roll them up and put them on the handle. This one actually has a reel, which is a lot nicer. It comes with a metal wand for increased durability. In my case scenario, almost all the ones, actually every one we've had a metal wand. So I've never known one with a plastic wand. If there is one, let me know in the comment section below, but I've never known of any with a plastic wand. This has a turbo nozzle for up to 50% more cleaning power. I've used the turbo nozzle before on other pressure washers and it makes no difference. Actually, it seems like less power. But with a new pressure washer, this might actually work a little bit better. It also has a removable detergent tank for easy soap application. When it says soap application, I wanted to say that would probably mean you can pull it out if you need to put soap into it easier. But for us, it's fine doing it like that. We can use a funnel or whatever. So it shows here in the picture the hose comes with 3 different nozzles and then a long wand. So I'm thinking the 2 different nozzles, let me see, this yellow one looks like for spraying. I think this blue one here is for like soap, and then on the old pressure washer we have a couple other nozzles. Yeah, there's a space here for, okay, that's for this nozzle. So let's go ahead and pop this thing open and see what's like inside. Alright, we got that far. I'll open this up. Okay, and inside it says stop. If you need assistance with this unit, visit or call customer service at www.ryobitools or the phone number. Register your tool. Huh. I wonder if that's not for like the warranty. Okay, and what's this? United States, that's Canada, and I think that's Italy. So, here we have the instructions already opened up. Okay, so here's what you have in the box. Well, let's look at the instructions first. Now, I know a lot of people say, you don't need instructions. Oh, well, I didn't know there's a back to these. But yeah, I mean, I'm going to go ahead and say let's just look at the instructions. I'm just going to look them over real quick, see what they say. So, start taking things out. You get this nice little packet. And I missed my trash can. But first off, we have our wheels. So yeah, this is one wheel of a deal. I love wheeling and dealing. Little joke. So this is definitely a wheel pressure washer. Oh, I'm sorry, reel. But yeah, they seem pretty durable. Nothing special about them. Okay? Okay, so here's your metal wand. Oh, I do like this. It has a plastic cover on it, so no junk would get down inside that end. Okay, this end doesn't have a cover, but no big deal. Now, it's a little bit sticky. I think it just might be the packaging stuff. It don't really have much of a smell inside. Okay, there's that. Here is the wand. Oh, I definitely like that. Okay, here's a little red thing here. It must be for, you think? I guess there's some way you can lock this. I'm not sure how. I'm probably not do that until I read the instructions, but yep. Okay, here's that. And what else we got here? Okay, we have assorted parts and the nozzles themselves, and then a little instruction book, so we're going to open that soon. Let's see what else. We have the hose, braided hose. This is what's on our old pressure washer, which I'm going to say that hose probably for a spare for this one, or may tie them together at some point. But yeah, very nice hose. We've been pleased with that hose. Okay, let's see. Here is the soap container that goes on there. So, you know, this takes a little bit to put together probably. Not too bad. And then this just the bag. Alright, so let's see. Pull these out. Get some foam pieces. And then this is the handle for the pressure washer. Oh, that has the grips on it. That's nice. There's nice foam grips for like if you left it somewhere and it gets cold, it's not going to be as bad. And here is a little, looks like a box, but doesn't appear to be anything inside. I think it's just packaging purposes. Yeah, just packaging purposes. Yeah, it's bad enough to get into. Alright, so now what we gotta do is, there's a little paper in here. Okay, so this is the part that tells you, you know, your soap nozzle and your other nozzles in here. And this is not in English. Okay, so nothing English on this one. Okay, but on the back of here, it says the instructions, detergent use. Never use bleach or solvent-based detergents. It will damage the pump, void warranty. Oh, plants and shrubs. Who's going to pressure wash your plants and shrubs? Normally I use the garden hose. Okay, let me see. Use of soap nozzle will activate for detergent injector at a 20-to-1 dilution ratio. Note, restricted water supplies or low water pressure will damage the pump. So yeah, you just got to turn it on. Make sure there's no kinks and don't want to go over 50 foot of garden hose. And the diameter is 3/4 minimum. So yeah, we're pretty good with that stuff. So. Alright, so now what we gotta do is pull this out. I'm trying to think of a nice way of doing this that'll be easy. So what we'll do is grab a hold of the sides. Okay, we'll push the box out of the way. And here is the unit itself. Let me make sure y'all can still see everything. Tap on the camera here. Alright, so y'all can still see this pretty good. I'll just slide it back a little bit. Alright, so we'll pop this off. Okay, got one side, that side, and whoop. So there's that. This is the Ryobi pressure washer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera off and I'm going to show you around it now. So let's go ahead and get to that. Alright, buddy. So that's all for this episode of Jet Talk Garage. We got this thing all put back together. When I say put back together, we got it all put together and everything. So far, seems like good build quality. I do love the way this setup is compared to our old pressure washer. Yes, we're going to find out just how good this thing is when we test it out. The one thing I just noticed is how the stop button works. Push that in, and that pushes it on. So actually it was on. So make sure the red button is pushed in. So yeah, thank you for watching. But one thing I want to do is show you this one compared to our old one. Oh, and I do need to rip this tag off. So I'm going to rip that off later. I'm not going to do it at this very moment. But, so here's what this one looks like. And here's the old one. So as you can see, it's easy for it to flip over and stuff. Now, when I was saying the soap nozzle is plastic on that one, that's what this one is. This one is solid metal. So, we might end up using this. I'll have to see. The one thing that this pressure washer does have is this 15 degree and 25 degree. So this 25 degree, I might end up moving over to the Ryobi. Because this one I don't think it does. No. This one doesn't have that big spray pattern. So I might take that nozzle and put it on here with this one. So I might go ahead and do that. Just so it's here so I can use it. But yeah. That's it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I know I sure have enjoyed this unboxing. First unboxing I've ever actually done. hope you all enjoyed. I know I sure did again. And yes, make sure to hit that notification bell button located next to the subscribe button if you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, make sure to go ahead and hit that little subscribe button. And again, hit the notification bell button located next to that subscribe button so you get notified of every new video that comes out. And make sure to leave me a like if you like this video. And let me know down below if there's anything I can do to make this video, make my next video more interesting when I actually use it. You know, what would y'all like to see me doing with this? I got some ideas from other videos I've watched and some of my own ideas. I got some tractors need cleaned up. I got some stuff in here that needs cleaned up. Just some different things need cleaned up. And we're going to get tested on this. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Hope you enjoyed. And thanks for watching J Hilltop Garage. See you next time, everyone.